In today's video, we are going to show you how to set a trailing stop loss in Vantage markets. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and then click the account section. This will forward you to the client portal. On the drop-down menu, you can choose from a live account or a demo account. In my case, I'm going to be choosing the live account. And in this case, choose the account that you wanted to set a trailing stop loss. For example, I'm going to be choosing the first one. Click the trade button. This will forward you to the Vantage trading platform. Now, before we jump in, let's quickly understand what a trailing stop is. Basically, a trailing stop loss is a dynamic stop loss that moves automatically as price moves in your favor. Now, for us to be able to do that, for example, we're going to go to the Market Watch in the left side panel of our dashboard. Select an instrument, for example, maybe Euro to USD. Click on it, and the Euro to USD will be forwarded to the chart panel. And this is where the magic happens. On the right side, you have two options. You can sell and you can buy by market. Okay? So, in this instance, we're going to use the stop section and we are going to use the stop option. If the price goes up, your stop loss moves up. If price reverses, your stop stays where it is. So basically, this is going to be where the stop price is at, 1.114. Okay, so once the price hits the stop, your trade closes automatically. And of course, all I have to do is put in a specific lots volume or a currency. It's up to you, and click the buy section so you can place that trade. All right, and then this is where the trailing happens. On the section here where you can see the tools, I want you to click the brush because we are going to put a marker for the start. Okay, so we have one right here. Maybe we can place it around here. If you see, and you would notice that there is a circle blue, that there is a blue circle button whenever I put a marker. You see that? And then right click on it, go to the settings, go to scales and lines, and you want to make sure to check this box that says lock price to bar ratio. So with this, it helps you lock in profits, reduce emotional trading, and protects gains without manual adjustments. Okay? And of course, from here, you want to make sure that you also check the box that says no overlapping labels. Click the OK button. Remember, your platform must remain open and connected to the internet for the trailing stop to work for both your MT4 or MT5. So basically, that's it for today's video on how you set a trailing stop loss in Vantage markets. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.